Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing effect template in PowerPoint. Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below. First of all, open up a blank slide and give a background image. So I'm just going to use this image. Now we're going to go to Insert tab and insert the same image from the pictures option. Crop it to aspect ratio of 16:9. Fill the entire slide with the image. Go to color option, select this first option of this dark black shade. And next what we're going to do is insert a triangle, remove its outline and rotate it like this. Put it into the center in the middle of our slide and then rotate it like this. And then duplicate it and we're going to just rotate them in different angles. And then what we're going to do is just decrease or decrease their sizes according to what we want. So let's just move it right down here as well. And the next thing we're going to do is select all of them, go to shape format, union from the merge option. Now what we're going to do is just increase its size. After grouping them, go to the format shape, click on slide background fill and move the shape upwards. Now give it the shadow option of fifth number. Go to a shadows option. And you can also change this fill to white of the shadow, but black will look more better. Now let's select all of them and give them a white outline so that we can clearly see it. So this is how you make this slide. We can also add some text on the borders. So let's add some text and we're going to increase its size, change this fill to white and move it upwards. And place one right here as well. So our template is complete. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below.